Oh, look at this. Look at that. That's nice and shiny. Look at this. Would you look at this?
Today I'm in New Kensington, Pennsylvania, a town 30 miles outside Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's a sleepy town, like many, that died after the collapse of the Rust Belt. But for every steel industry abandoning a town, the result is an abundant and affordable industrial building and warehouse space. This is my third favorite wonder of Pittsburgh. This is the Large-Scale Systems Museum. The first floor houses supercomputers that literally changed the world. Industrial computing behemoths that held all the secrets of financial systems, government databases, and that were every ounce of their massive weight in cutting-edge technology. Cold and foreboding, they lack that warm personal computer design, but upstairs is a nostalgia trip for any computer enthusiast. This is the personal computer section of the museum. From the first concepts of portable IBMs to TRS-80s, an Apple Lisa, this thing, Atari stuff, and everything in between, from Apple to Zenith, it's all here. And so are the cords. I'm building some more cable bridges, and I'm leveraging this room of vintage computers to make this project slightly more interesting. Instead of tripping over extension cords and power strips, we can casually walk over them. I wore my dad's sneakers to emphasize how a 3-inch change in elevation feels like walking on clouds made of plywood. But you came here for details of the boring kind, and this is the design, all made with construction lumber. It really is just 3/4-inch plywood sitting on 2x4s that I ripped from a banana-shaped 2x10. The cable bridges can be widened or lengthened to suit your needs, and all the angles are 10 degrees, which means the part where you should measure twice and cut once is the following. Set your fence to 1.25 inches and the blade set to 10 degrees and rip both 2x4s. With these two pieces, we can make the ramp part, which has a matching 10-degree side and a total length of 8.75 inches. The bridge part that spans over your cable mess can be cut to whatever width, but as shown, it's a 10-inch span. Assembly is done with an impact driver and some 1 5/8 construction screws. I mentioned the 2x4s were somewhat banana-shaped, so a number of relief cuts that don't go all the way through are shown here and here, and this helps the plank lay flat and straighten out when screwed to the plywood. Finishing touches would be to stick on some grip tape, and then you've got a cable bridge fit for a LAN party or a vintage computer museum. That's the end of the project, and the rest of this video is probably what you came here. Some calming B-roll of some lovely computer machines. Details about the computer museum are in the video descriptions, and if you'd like to go with me, just let me know. Thanks for watching.